Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be Wyatt and I unboxing the winter FABFITFUN box. FABFITFUN is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box that is $49.95, I believe, each season. With my code down below, I believe you can get your first box for $39.95, and I also believe I have some starter boxes I could still give away. I did do a video on a starter box earlier this year. I can link that above if you're interested in seeing what you could get in it. You just have to pay shipping on those. I did pay for the full year, so I'm able to customize 5 of the 8 options for my box. If you pay for your box each quarter, you get to customize 3 of your 8 options. My box was kind of busting at the seams here, so I hope everything is inside as it should be. This box is absolutely massive. Okay, Wyatt, are you gonna help me see what's inside?
Oh, yuck.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, and these.
Okay, first I did get 2 products. Can you sit on your bum? Firstly, I did get 2 products in add-ons. I was in need of some new reusable makeup remover, kind of like reusable cotton pads, if you will. And then I got an extra one to put in my 2K giveaway whenever that happens for me. I'm trying to like pick things up here and there. So I got these in add-ons. Now I'm not going to go over all of the options you could have chosen because I don't want this video to take too long as the baby's already screaming. Love that for us. Can you sit down on your bum for a sec?
Yeah.
I'm just going to hold it up here so you can see some of the options that you were able to choose from. Again, I chose 5 of my 8 products. For option number 1, I did choose the Summer and Rose Cozy Bathrobe. This retails for $70 US. It looks so cozy. I did get mine in the size extra small, small, medium. I believe they had a couple different sizes you could choose from.
Yeah.
Do you want to touch this?
Yeah. But it's nice and warm.
It feels nice and warm. This feels so soft and cozy. I don't want to take it out quite yet. Can you see on here? This is what it looks like though. It says cuddle up in this fuzzy robe which features front pockets. I think that's going to be lovely in the winter. There's nothing worse than coming out of a steaming hot shower and it feels freezing cold in your house. For my second choice item, I went with the Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. This retails for $45 US. It says this mirror features a bright white LED light strip at the touch of a sensor button to help you perfect your makeup. I do have a makeup mirror that is supposed to have a ring light on it, but it doesn't work very good. So I was excited to see this, and it seems like a really good size. It says it is 7 by 12 by 5 inches.
Mom.
What's that? Food. It came with a HelloFresh gift voucher as well.
What's this ticket for?
You can have that. Option 3 was very beauty focused. There was a lot of beauty products and there was a headband too, I believe. But I chose the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I love getting mascaras in my subscription boxes because it's one of those products that I hate spending my money on, which probably sounds so silly. This retails for $28 US, and it says this dual-sided brush lifts and lengthens. Just a second.
I'm going to show this to
Why don't you just wait here because Emmett's finally stopped crying. A dual-sided brush lifts and lengthens every lash with a blend of beeswax and shea butter. Ilia is a clean beauty brand sold at Sephora, so I'm excited to try it. This is the first product I will have tried from them. For my fourth choice item, I chose the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I did get the blue packaging one of these in a boxy charm. I haven't tried that one yet either, and I thought they were the same until I actually looked up Tula Skincare. And while they are both eye creams, I believe one will be more suitable for the daytime and one more suitable for nighttime. So I'm happy to have both.
Wait a minute.
When choosing...
Feel this.
Yeah, it has a sticky part to stick it to this paper. When choosing my beauty options, I always opt for the cruelty-free version, of course, cruelty-free option. So, you know, the Tula is cruelty-free, Ilia is cruelty-free, and they do have non-cruelty-free options. I did want to mention that.
My money.
But it seems like it has relatively good ingredients. It says it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, petrolatum, formaldehydes, blah blah blah, retinol, and synthetic fragrance, which is important for me. My skin is both sensitive and I'm breastfeeding, so I can't have retinol in my skincare products. For my fifth choice item, I had no idea what to choose. The options were eye gels, which aren't really my thing, a set of cutting boards, which these are bigger than I was expecting. I'm pleasantly surprised, or a powdered dry shampoo, which I wasn't very excited about. This retails for about $20, $19.90 something. It's too small for me to see from here. This is why I chose to get FABFITFUN, so I can get this combination of beauty and lifestyle products, because I'm just overwhelmed with beauty products, but it's still my favorite thing, if that makes sense. So getting things like a bathrobe, some new cutting boards for my kitchen, a new makeup mirror. I'm just so pleased with the subscription box thus far. This is only my second one, but this does have it's a set of 4. I'm stumbling over my words, and they are dishwasher safe. So I'm super excited about these. And now we have 3 products left that I have no idea what they are. Wyatt, would you like to pull something out of this box and we'll see what it is? So obviously I'm very happy with the items that I chose for myself. Now let's see if the additional 3 items that I didn't get to choose add any value to me in this box. Can you reach in here and find something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, a brush.
A brush. This is from Daily Concepts, the same brand from what I got in add-ons. This is a daily facial dry brush for radiant looking skin. This makes me a little nervous. It does say it's vegan. Let's see. It retails for $20. It says use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. I do want to do a little bit of research on this. I know some people swear by dry brushing. Just a second. But it does make me a little nervous with my sensitive skin. If you have used a dry brush on your face, then please let me know how it went. I feel like I've seen more dry brushes for like your body, to exfoliate your whole body. So Wyatt also found below the belt croc card case. This faux croc case features convenient slots for your ID and credit card. This retails for $35 US. This is definitely not to my taste personally. I carry like a full wallet. I don't really need a card holder like this. So this is something that I will be passing along. There should be one more thing in this box. Can you find it? Some more cards for you. That's to keep it nice and dry. This is a sticker. Would you like a sticker?
Yeah.
Okay. I shouldn't have that. Okay, one last thing.
That's called powder.
Yeah, it's to keep things nice and dry inside. So the last product in my box is the Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. Make sure we're still recording. This retails for $21. Says this high impact liquid eyeliner glides on easily and stays on 4 hours. Liquid eyeliner is actually a product, surprisingly, in my makeup collection that I don't have an abundance of. Yes, baby, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. And I will definitely get used to this. I'm not going to open it until I'm ready to use it. It is like one of those ones with a well on it, and then it is probably a brush tip, I would imagine, which I'm not super great at, but I definitely will give it a try. So that was everything that I received in my winter FABFITFUN box. Wyatt really wanted to show you guys what came in this giant package. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Now you ready for bed?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you get ready for bed in a second.
Cause my bed says I want to go to bed.
Your belly says you want to go to bed?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. My box retailed for $268.95 US. That is a crazy, crazy value. Again, if you pay seasonally, you pay $49.95 per month US, and you get all of these products. I think I paid $340 for the year. If I convert this into Canadian dollars, this box is worth more than what I paid for the full year for 4 boxes. That is crazy. I don't know how subscription boxes do it.
To show Dad.
Okay, I'm almost done and I'll be right out.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm really happy with this month's winter box. I think they did a really good job curating it. The dry brush I'm a little worried about using, but I think it will be great for like winter dry skin. And I'm ridiculously excited about this bathrobe. I can't wait to get all cozy in this. But I think I'm going to leave it all packed up really nice for a little bit longer. The only product that I'm not into, that I'm not like excited about, is this card holder. The other options for that were a Wish lip scrub in Vanilla Bean or a Paradox Lucky Stars blemish patches, and honestly I would have preferred either of those things over this card case, but that's okay. Can't win them all. I got the choice items I was most excited about. They didn't sell out before I got a chance to get them or anything. All in all, I'm really excited about it. If you were thinking of trying the subscription, I would be so grateful if you used my referral link that is in the description box. And if you would like to try a starter box, then send me a DM on Instagram or just let me know in the comments and I will try my best to get one to you. Again, the starter boxes are free. You just pay shipping, and that's $5 US or 12 Canadian dollars, I believe. And you just get a handful of products, like a little sampling of what you may receive in a FABFITFUN, full subscription box. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!